morning, guys. Today is February 13. I am decorating the table for the kids. I am making an effort. Here in our home, Valentine's Day is not only for my husband and I, of course, the kids too. So Valentine's Day is for everybody here at home, and I am decorating our table right now. So now I am making this little platter, but actually that's for strawberry. Thankfully, I have styrofoam that I don't get rid last time. So right now I am covering it with the foil. And then I have here some greenery from outside. And then after that, I'm heading to the kitchen and make the strawberry.
Hey, Mr. Nonchalant, are you happy with how we end? Is it worn enough? In the bedsheet, oh so slept in. Did I ask for too much? Is it my fault? I thought we were perfect. Should have believed you when you said that you didn't deserve me. You don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January.
So now let's go do the strawberry. It is pretty easy. What I have here is the toothpicks, the strawberries, and then it's supposed to be a non-stick pan, and then also I have the marshmallow. It's pretty easy and delicious, so you guys try it at home. There you go, guys. It works now. That it can always be spring. It works, you guys. There you have it. Let's try if you can scrape that one. Alright, there you go. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna put the stick in there. Keep on laughing at the rain I get. Isn't that the place to start? Someday you will be stronger than you are now, but you will not know everything. When the water's spilling over the bow, you'll still have me in the wings. You gotta get up to get down, kid. You gotta get down to get up again. You gotta get up to get down, kid. There you gotta get down to get up again. Treat your mother like she's made of gold. After all, she brought you here. And if you're lost, go see the ocean. It will always help you steer. Someday you will be stronger than you are now. So there you go, guys. These are strawberries. Sure, they're not perfect, but I'm pretty sure they taste really good. So let's go and put it in our table. You gotta get up to get down, kid. You gotta get down to get up again. You gotta get up to get down, kid. You gotta get down to get up again.
as your words become my truth.
Hi guys, I'm making a strawberry muffin too. So I'm gonna make like a, not muffin, a cupcakes. There you go. So this is a strawberry cupcakes from the box. This is a pre-mix already. And I also have here a sugar cookie, so I put the strawberry sauce in there too, and then white chocolates.
I will remember by me forever, my friend and my healer, the joy I found in surrendering all my life to your call. Surrender.
Here you guys, I filled up all the muffins, and now I'm going to make a Twinkies for the leftover. First, I'm going to put a butter on it.
You gotta make Twinkies. They really do smell like.
As your words become my truth. Oh, I'm holding on to you. And as your words, they become
I'm making lumpia too, guys.
my peace.
The lumpia never gets old. So this is leftover. We made this New Year's Eve, and then I put it in the freezer, and now there you go. So our baking is almost done, and look at these Twinkies here. Let's see how it looks like when it's unmolded already. We're going to remove the inner molding here a little bit, and also the cookie. So let's see. There you go, guys. Our muffin is done. It's not look perfect, but it tastes perfect. Char. So right now it is past 12. I'm just finishing the lumpia for the kids' lunch. So I mean, guys, that's the cookie. It is actually, it's just not look very nice, but it tastes good. So yeah, see the white chocolates in there. There you go. Happy Valentine's, everyone. So I hope your Valentine's Day is wonderful. So we are going to eat our brunch right now. This is our Valentine's brunch. That's marshmallow.
I know.
Is it good?
Hey, Mr. Nonchalant,
What is that?
Wow.
are
So
you
soft.
happy with
Yeah,
how we
it's
end?
chocolate chips cookie.
Is it warm enough in the bedsheet? Oh,
Which
so
one?
slept in. Did I ask for
That
too
It's
much?
either
Isn't my fault. I thought we were
Ferrero is yours in Hannah because
should
that's
have
hers.
believed you.
get the one.
When you said that you didn't deserve me, you don't know if you wanna get married. Said you don't even know what you want. I made plans for us in January. Only plans that you made was breaking my heart. Fell in love with potential while you felt amused. Hope you liked the attention while I was being used. Mr. Nonchalant, thanks for keeping it so cool.